Amelia, what are your favorite things?
Dinosaurs and chocolate.
And what better way than to combine those and make a dinosaur treat?
We're gonna start with dark chocolate.
And we're gonna melt that in the microwave. As she mixes, we will add 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream.
We're gonna add our chocolate into the 6 molds.
Amelia, what do we need for our dinosaur eggs?
Milk chocolate.
We're going to spoon our milk chocolate into the dino eggs so Amelia can brush them.
The molds are ready to put in the fridge.
Half of our dino molds are ready. Pull them out. Now very carefully, we're going to pull out our shells.
Now we're gonna add our dino grapple.
And a few candies. Now we're carefully going to add chocolate to the edges to seal them. Our eggs have hardened. It's time to... Yeah, pick one out. How's it taste?
Good.
Yeah? You can try this at home with your little ones.